Are you also going to make a pitch for the Filipino seafarers before the European Union? Considering
Well, I will, but you have to understand that the accreditation that we are trying to get is dependent upon us. It's just basically a checklist. Hindi tayo nakakatupad doon sa iba. And the attitude in the past was just to put some documentary studies, and that's what I was telling them. So, tama, you can. Like yung mga technical, yung mga machinery, ganyan, that can't be fixed by a document. So, I think they've changed their approach now to the accreditation. And I think we'll be all right. Everybody in the industry is working very hard for us to get that good thing. Napakalaking ano naman. So we have 600,000 plus marino all over the world right now. So we don't want to put them in a bad place.
And what were your specific instructions to the appropriate Philippine agencies, the OTR, Marina, as regards our attempts to comply with the EMSA?
We just have, there's no two ways about it. It's not something you can debate about. You comply. We will have to comply so that we will be accredited.
So one last point.
It's not discretionary.
Yeah.